Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set ringtone in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to sounds and vibration. Go to sounds and vibration here and here go to ringtone and here select SIM 1 for setting up a ringtone for SIM 1. Click on SIM 1 and here you will see basic ringtones available in your phone. Just select any one. Here I set up this tone and just go back, it will be activated. Okay, suppose if you want to add your own ringtone, that is if you have any music file in your phone in your external memory card, then you can choose. For that, click on plus symbol and here I don't have any music file, so it is not listed here. If you have any music file in your external memory card inserted in your phone or in your internal storage, if you have downloaded any music file, that will be showing here and you can select. Okay, as of now I don't have any music file. Only one file is available from the phone itself, and I click on it and click on done, and that will be set as ringtone for SIM 1. Okay, in a similar way you can set up ringtone for SIM 2. Click on SIM 2 and you can choose from the phone ringtone, system available ringtone, or otherwise you can choose from the custom ringtone. Click on plus symbol to add any music file from here. Okay, here I would like to finally set a basic ringtone, and yes, click on go back and it will be set to SIM 2. So in this way you can easily set up ringtone for SIM 1 and SIM 2 as well. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.